Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to see and view history on Reddit. This is very simple. First thing you can do is to go right here and you should see recent right here. So you will see the history of recent subreddits that you have visited. If you want to see your search history, just click right here to search, and up here you should see the latest search history subreddits. If you want to see a history of your upvotes and your comments and all sorts of things, go to your profile like this. And here you should see overview history of what you did, post history, comments history, saved posts, and also history overall, hidden history, upvoted history, or downvoted history. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.